Hello, people. Hello. Welcome to the live stream of Zibit. Let's just wait a few minutes for people to join, then we can start our live stream. Yesterday's target is yet to achieve, but at the 50%, that's exactly the same thing happens all the time. 50% is the mark for us to achieve it. Okay. Few people have joined. Let's start with let's start. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the live stream of Zbit.com. Zbit.com is a crypto exchange platform which is very new, very fresh, and very useful for the beginners because this is one of the best beginner friendly app which you can have in the crypto world right now. I know crypto is a little hard to understand. The jargons and every of the stuff is a bit hard to understand for everybody. But this is one of the best which you can use. And also with that, we are offering something very better option for all of you people. Now, what is that better option? What is this uh, better option? What option do you are having, and what we are doing for all of you people? Let's talk about. Zbit is offering you all and everybody, each and everybody. Just so it's a great news for the users, the new users to be very specific. Can you see over here, new users? Yes. So all the new users in the Zbit are gonna get like rewards up to $1,200, and in some cases, in very like it will be one or two cases only. In those cases, it can go above $1,002 as well. I will show you each and every way how you can use, and trust me, these rewards are very like you don't have to put maximum efforts for it. You just have to take three steps, which are the mandatory one, which is like just create account, do your complete your KYC. Then after that KYC, deposit the amount in your capital account, and then you can start doing trading. But we know once a people start taking a first step, it becomes very at the first step you feel very 50-50 situation all the time. Should I not? Should I not? If you know this one thing for a fact, that crypto world is trending right now, and we are actually seeing a lot of benefit profits. People are making so much money from the crypto world comparing to the indices, stock market, and any other thing which is out there. We know this for a fact that people are making a huge money out of the crypto market because of the volatility is getting. Now in that scenario, coming to the crypto journey, starting your crypto journey, getting you like uh, starting the crypto trading is one of the most important thing which you should be doing right now. And for that, yes, the first step might feel a little difficult for all of people, because at the starting, yes, it has very great volatility which can help you in gaining a lot of huge money or a lot of losing a lot of huge money. Both cases are there. Now, in the losing factor, I will help you personally by coming on this live stream, teaching you regarding how you can avoid this risk, how to do risk management, how to avoid, how to read the chart so that you are able to predict what can be happen, what kind of structure a market can make, how it can go wrong, how market fools you, how the manipulation happens, and every of those things, the liquidity traps from the market, each and every of those things I will explain you. That is no doubt on it. I on this live stream I am here for all of the people. If you have any doubt, anything, please reach out to me, ask on the comment section regarding any or anything regarding the crypto trading only. So I will deal with those situations. I will make you your problem at ease. I will solve it in each and every of those things. Okay. Now, the other thing, what we are offering to all of people. See, as cryptocurrency is getting so much of attention, and so much people are getting exposed to it and gaining a lot of huge money around from it. Now, everybody wants a cryptocurrency. They feel like, we all have the thought like, I should have invested in the back period of a time. I should have done this. I should have this. I should have this. A lot of I should have, like a lot of past tense we are still living on. We are still carrying the regrets which we should not. Because regret is not just gonna make your decision it is just making your decision lengthy. It is just halting your time. That's all it is doing. Rather than take a risk, take a decision, go forward toward the future where the future is. Because trust me, cryptocurrency is the future. Start charging. Cryptocurrency is the future. Cryptocurrency is giving you an opportunity for breaking the chain of the governance and the control of the bank. The government governs it, has a lot of rules, regulations, how much they can print, how much they can supply, each and every of those things, and the bank controls it, controls each and every aspects of our money. even though we feel like, yeah, we are in control of my bank account, I can withdraw it anytime, I can do this, I can do this, blah 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 blah. But magic always happens in the back end, not at the hand of the magician. That's what the bank does. We feel like it's happening in front of us, but no, it is not. It is happening in the back end of us. That's how bank makes so much of money, and that's why the cryptocurrency was made, to break that chain. You should be a part of something which is greater for the future. You should be a part of something which is going to give you, and you, it's not even like something like I'm just blabbing out of my mouth. We can see the results. We can see the value a cryptocurrency is carrying right now, the value which is above our normal traditional currency. The highest, to be like, I won't say number one, but one of the most highest currency is dollar. And even in the dollar, you can see how much one cryptocurrency costs. This is the price of one, not 10, 20, 30. No, one currency is costing you 108K. One Ethereum is costing you 4,460. One Solana is costing you 204. One XRP is costing you $2. Trump is costing you 8. These are all those coins which is costing you more than your traditional currency. It is not some product, luxury brand or anything which supposed to have this extra kind of money or extra kind of value which is carrying. It's just currency. And we know currency is made for what? Currency is made for having a transaction, from passing it from one to another person with whatsoever purpose you have. You want to buy, you want to sell, you want to purchase this, blah 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 blah. That's what we transfer the money for. That's the motive and the core responsibility of a currency, is to have a transaction. Okay. Now, cryptocurrency was made for easing this transaction, not giving control to the bank, not giving control to the government. They cannot touch it, they cannot delete it, they cannot do anything, they cannot control this. This is a decentralized currencies. And yes, yes, to be very honest, yes, there are other coins as well which are some centralized. Some government made their own coins and they centralized it so that they can have a control. But most of the one, the top three one, let's say like top two, the Bitcoin and Ethereum, they cannot do anything regarding it until unless it comes to the public blockchain, which is like Binance, Zbit, and every of the same. These are public blockchains. Public blockchains are in the control of the government, but not the currency. They can seize the currency if they see some fraud or something. They can inquire regarding this to the public blockchain. They can freeze it or they can take it in their control, but they cannot delete, they cannot just like stop the supply or anything regarding the cryptocurrency. They don't have that much power to do with it. They can just capture it, and that too through public blockchain. If you are not at the public blockchain, they can't even do anything. They can't even touch you, they can't even ask you why you have this much, why this, why that, blah blah blah, nothing. No government has any control over any of the cryptocurrency. And that's why even the Trump, where like we see one of the top greatest country, which is United States of America, they opened so much of things regarding the crypto world. So much they opened. Let's say they have opened the new regulations, the crypto reserve. Nobody imagined. And I don't even see reserves mean what, that you have to store some most valuable thing which can help you in your anything, which can help you in the finance, which can help you build the economy strong, or xyz xyz xyz. Now, a currency which you cannot have physically, but still the reserve of the cryptocurrency is being made. You don't need a office for that, you don't need a big vault for that, because it is a, not a physical currency which you can keep as a physical asset. It's an electronic currency, it's an e-currency, it's a digital currency. Okay, which you can store in the server or some pass keys or your any of the wallet, which will be secured and no one can have it. Okay, now once you like, was this government saw the potential of the cryptocurrency, because wherever you will see this one very specific thing. If we provide some freedom to a human, as a human we thrive on the freedom. We need freedom in each and every of those things. That is one of the main reason why war started to happen and why we have different countries. We need freedom. Everybody wants to own something, everybody wants to have their own way of life, and blah 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 blah. We thrive on the freedom. And now the cryptocurrency is giving us that. Cryptocurrency is made for the digital freedom for us. Freedom from the control of the bank and the control of the government. That's why a lot of people are interested in it. That's the one of the reason why it is booming this much, getting into the price of unbelievable. Can you just imagine one coin for 108k dollar? One coin worth this much. It's like how it can be of this big value. I'll turn on the basic. See what's needed. Dubai is very hot right now. It is burning. Okay, so like I was talking to all of you people regarding this, that you can see the unimaginable amount which is carrying. Now, why this amount is going? Because demand is there. Demand is why? Because people are more and more interested in buying something which doesn't have any control over anyone. That's what we need, freedom. That's why the value is this much of, like, yeah, I get it, like not everybody has a value of bitcoin or the ethereum, but slowly everybody focused on the number one, because that's what everybody wants. Nobody cares about the second. No, people cares about the first. And that's what happened. People made it, bitcoin reached that level, that from here making bitcoin go more up is too hard. It's feeling too hard to make bitcoin go more up from this 100 level. Reaching to 150, reaching to 200 is becoming very hard for people, because that amount it requires for a bitcoin to go up that level is more than 2 billion in one day, 3 billion, 4 billion, which, to be very fair, to be very honest, a person cannot invest this big amount into something which they are just going to hold for 10 to 20 years. Nobody is going to, like, the people who invest in the bitcoin heavily, they don't sell the bitcoin in just like 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. These are the big players who gives this huge amount of money. A lot of big players have already bought it and are keeping it as a safe thing. They don't want to buy more. The people who were not buying are the one right now who is continuously buying, like Meta Planet and any other, any other those people. They are buying in heavily right now because they were the one who lagged in the race. Microsoft started it, has around 6,58,000 Bitcoin. Now Metaplanet is following the same structure of, like, he has one company and then his share he's selling to an investor. They give money, and with that money he goes and buys the bitcoin to support his company. It's same, like he's making a small crypto reserve for his company, not for the country, not for anything, but for his company. A crypto reserve for a company backing up his asset, his property, via bitcoin, because it is considered to be a digital gold. Now, why digital gold? Why not diamond, or why not any other more precious element? Because right now it is at the level of what? Level of the gold. 1 kg gold is worth this much. Like one bitcoin equals to 1 kg gold equals to the amount which is carrying right now. it will be little like 100, 200, 500 difference, but yeah, approximately the same price. But if if we make it reach to more huge level, and someday let's see if it touches 500K for a one coin, maybe it will call, maybe it won't be called as diamond gold anymore, maybe it will turn into some other element for them. But this is just fooling you, calling it digital gold and any of those things. This is not gold. This is a way of transaction, breaking the chain from the government and the bank. So we should look at the Bitcoin in that way itself, that it is a way of transaction of the money. That's how the big players, whales, and institutional people put their money into. They don't see that okay, this one is trending so much and blah blah blah. No, they don't go for this. They go for which has the highest value. Now, how do you have which, if I give you option today, if I give you option today, that out of any currency, like out there are lots and lots and lots of currency out there. Okay, now out of those currency you have to put your money on one currency. Which currency would you pick? Obviously you will try to pick either dollar, or either you will try to pick Kuwait, because this two currency is having the most highest exchange rate. Dollar is above, like I said, top, not number one, but yes, top of, like top three you can say. And Kuwait also is like in a lot big price, like if I exchange it, it becomes a lot. Okay, so this dollar and Kuwait, people will try to put their lot of money under these two currencies, because as dollar is like in the topmost, like any, if you convert dollar into anyone, the dollar is a winner. He has an upper hand in every of those currency. So dollar is nothing other than our Bitcoin. People are crazily buying because he's number one over here right now. He has an upper hand over any other currency right now. Second number, Kuwait becomes an our Ethereum, where people are putting their money a little. Not that much, not great uses, but a little. Okay, this is the two things. One is our Bitcoin, second one is our Ethereum. Now the difference between the first and the second is huge, because most of the institutional people, now here why institutional people are the most, those people which I talk about, because those are the only one which is lifting and dropping a market in a significant way. We drop like this, you can't even see. They drop like this, which everybody sees. We make it up like this, nobody can see. They make it up like this, everybody can see. Why this and this? What is the difference between this? The difference is investment money. I am invested money is different. Our investment cannot make the market go up. It can just, that's all it can do. The most smallest movement we can make because of the value it is carrying. Institutional people have a very huge money. Wherever there is a huge money, there is a huge difference, because it's a very myth that you can see this big candle. People say this big candle is because of big volume. I say no, this big candle is because of big money went out. No volume, but a money factor. These candles are a pure representation of money. There is no volume in the chart, there is just timing and the price. One side we see, this side is our money side, which we track the market's value, and this is the time, at what time, what happened, what day, year, month, blah 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 blah, and what price, going up, going down. That's what we check. Now these candles are nothing but the representation of the money it is carrying. Small candle represents the retailers. Why? Because retailers have very small money. That's why the candle becomes very small, because of the small investment. Big candle comes with a big investment. Money matters in the cryptocurrency, in any, if you're talking about the stock market, if you're talking about indices, anywhere, wherever you see this candle is a straight up representation of the money, like how much money was poured in, which is an inflow of the market, and how much money was taken out, which is an outflow of the market. Candle represents those things. You can understand this behavior by understanding candles as well, which I've already talked about in the live stream a lot of times, like how to understand, how to read candlestick patterns, because these patterns are the one which can tell you regarding most of your like in most of what is happening in the market. If it's like, for example, if there is a very huge candle forming, we know that this is our supply zone where huge selling has happened with a huge money. Because I'm watching 45, I don't want 45, I want 1 hour. Because I'm watching right now 1 hour candle. 1 hour candle is the 1 hour time frame is the one of the best to watch regarding your chart patterns, regarding your candles, anything. 1 hour works the best. In lesser time frame, you see a lot of noises, a lot of differences, a lot of noises, but a very clear image you can get by a 1 hour, like what actually happened in the market, what actually happened in the market, which is making this XYZ of the movement. Now, wherever you see a big candle, just imagine one thing, that a big player has came in the market. That's what we do. Like, where does this supply and demand comes? Supply and demand we find for who is acting actually. Like, for example, okay, I'll give you example right now. Okay, I'll give you, okay, I can see two things over here. One is uh, this is a supply zone. Supply zone is basically what? Supply zone is like a maximum selling has happened at that place. Like, people came and did a lot of selling, the straight market fell down. Yeah, understand this thing as well. A retailer like you, like me, we can never make a movement like this or this not, we cannot do. We can make movement like this or this. You saw the difference? Straight up money came means one very huge heavy money has entered at one moment, in that hour, in that time, in that frame, whatever. That heavy money has came instant. This is this, can you see this small, yes. From this point we made the market go this very small movement, but you can see the movement, what kind of movement we made higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, because we don't have unity at a first moment. We cannot make all the retailers go like, pro, come on, let's go for buy. We cannot do that. We don't have that unity. Second of thing, we don't have that currency. We don't have, so not currency, we don't have that capital account amount which can make the market go in one straight movement. We cannot invest millions and billions of dollar in one single trade. No, we don't have that guts, to be very very honest. We don't have it. We try to invest in a very risk free manner. If, for example, now what does a retailer's mentality says, like, if I give you, mm, there is 1 million in a big player account, it won't be 1 million, it will be more than that, I know, but just for example, and there is 1 million in a retailer's account. Now how these people are going to use their account, because they are going to use it very differently. Now retailer has this mentality, whatever account balance he is having, whatever it is, 10 rupee, 20, 30, 40, 1 lakh, 1 crore, 2 crore, 10 crore. From that, he uses 10 to 15% of his capital account for one single trade. 10 to 15%. That's what retailer's mentality says, because he needs a backup. Because we don't have a backup, we need to have a backup to save us. Okay. So what retailer does? 10 to 15% in one trade. If this goes good, again 10 to 15% in the next. If that good goes, again 10 to 15, or maybe can increase 20. He will never ever increase, he will never ever do 50%, he will never do 60, he will never do 70, he will never do complete 1 million. Where a big player thinks in a complete opposite way. Why that is? Big players finds a way. Like, okay, I think with as he's a big player, he's a wealthy person, so he has some inside news as well. Okay, it's not like they are just blind, they don't know what's happening, they just hit the dart with a blind eye. No, they don't do that thing. Okay, they have some intelligence, they have their own researcher, they have their own analyst which analyzing the market for them, and they find the perfect way, like this is the way, this is the point where we should enter, this is the point where we should not enter, an and those kind of structure. Now in that they will see for a moment to enter at a very, not, I won't say lowest to lowest point. Okay, it is not about the lowest or highest point for them. They don't go by like, okay, the market is dipping, I should enter. That's us because we want it to have in a cheap price. They think about some different method which I clearly don't know because I am not a big player. They think about something different. In that they will go 1 million in one go, complete account into one single trade. Why they did that? Any idea? What we did is for short term fun. We can't hold it for 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, because we know this small amount is not gonna give us huge benefit. He entered directly to the spot. He bought it at that moment. That's it. I bought it. It's with me. I will deal with it whenever, however, in whichever way I want. I want to sell it in after 5, 10 years, I will sell it. I want to keep it after 5, 10 years, I will keep it. That's what they do. They invest and they forget. Forget until and unless that is giving them some huge amount of profit. They consider they buy cryptocurrency exactly the way you buy a physical gold. You buy a physical gold, you keep it, you wear it, you go with the functions with there and blah 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 whatever thing, and then you again take it out and put it in the vault. Till that point you don't sell that thing where you feel need of it, or where it's like, okay, this is the highest point of the gold price to go up and I can make a huge money out of it. That's the point where big player will try to sell it. Not in 1 hour, not in 2 hour, not in 1 month, not in 3, 4, 5. No, they don't go for that. You can see, like, now this, for example, right now, Bitcoin is at 108K. 108K Bitcoin is. Just imagine the pile up of cash from the bottom. Bottom is your zero, or let's say $1. From that $1, so much money came and made it reach to 108K. This value of 108K is there because the money is still holding intact from the bottom of the dollar. Now just imagine for a moment, what if this whole money is gone from the market? Obviously this 1.8 will again come down to the $1. To be very obvious, it will again come down to the $1. If you take all the money which is supporting right now the Bitcoin to hold the price at 108. Understood? So there are big players, whales, old wallet, like whale wallet, industrial people, a lot of different people, ETFs, all people have their money intact into the Bitcoin still now. Till now. Even though it crossed all-time highs to all-time highs to all-time highs to all-time highs. From 80 to 100, 100 to 111, 111 to 124, they still didn't take their money out. They just poured it. More, 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 buy more. Because they still believe that there is such a long way to go for that currency till now. It's a very huge way to go for that currency, a way long way to go that currency, because they know freedom's value cannot be just 108K. But the value is this. If this pile of cash which is supporting the Bitcoin at 108K goes, like basically any whale opens his wallet which has 6 lakh Bitcoin. He decided that I want to liquidate the complete 6 lakh, which is impossible. Impossible, I will tell you why. It's very hard for a people to sell this huge amount of 6 lakh worth of Bitcoin cannot be sell in one go. Cannot be. There no one, not a single public chain, any ETF, any wealthy people is ready to buy 6 lakh worth of Bitcoin in one go. They don't have that huge amount of investment to make. No public chain can allow to liquidate 6 lakhs of Bitcoin. It will take months to liquidate this huge amount, more than months, because of the money. They need money also to give it. It's a transaction. If I created one, if, for example, now, mm, if I am a scientist and I created a potion which is elixir potion, which is for immortality. Like you cannot never die, you cannot age, you cannot do. Now that is the most un like there is no name for it, but that would be the one of the kind potion that nobody has, and it is just one bottle I have. Now, if I put an unimaginable amount for it, like let's say like 100 trillion, nobody's gonna give me 100 trillion. Nobody. In one go, no. They will require a lot of time to collect, give 100 million, 100 trillion to give it to me. And it cannot happen. None of the government have that huge amount of money. Same is this. If you go and think that 6 lakh BTC can be liquidated in one single day, it cannot happen. It cannot happen. And the whales who has invested this money, they are not investing for these things. They are not investing for like right now I bought it at 108, it will reach 200, I will have huge amount of profit from it and I will be happy. I will take this profit, go home, and I'll be happy. No, this is not what they are doing. This is completely not what they are doing. Now big whales, big people, big industrial people, they have transactions. As you know, Bitcoin is used for transaction. As you know, Bitcoin was created to break the chain from the bank, as you know. So they are not buying for the profit. They are buying for the future use case. That in the far most future, when this traditional way of finance will be on the verge of the death, and only Bitcoin, the digital currency, will be allowed, and we will see that we need digital currency because of to break the bank, break the structure, everything. At that point, they will be in the hierarchy level because they are having the huge amount, and we will be in the low level. We don't have huge amount. They will be the one. They are even right now. They are using the digital currency for having a transaction to avoid bank and to avoid government, because in the day-to-day life of a retailer, we are not going here every day. But big industrial people, the company people, they need bank every day. But we don't. That's why big players, the whales, the industry, they're heavily pouring their money. Why? Because they are in the need of it. There is no citizen who is in a need of a cryptocurrency other than he's thinking that I can make a very good amount of money from it. Okay, that's all our need. We don't have a use of like currency right now. We have a lot of different ways in our day-to-day life. We cannot have a use of a Bitcoin. If you feel like okay, like bank or any other thing is not processing my fees or something, then we may can look for a cryptocurrency trade. But even that, the front person who you want to have a transaction with, he should accept it as well. If he's not accepting, then what's the point? Okay, because it's a two-way transaction, not one-way transaction. So as the price has reached this high level, and you know there is a pile up of cash which is supporting a Bitcoin at that price. If the cash goes, Bitcoin price drops. This is what? This is supply. If cash comes out, price drop. Cash comes out, price drops. Cash comes out, price drop. This is basically what? This is basically our supply. Market was holding at this moment. Okay. From here, people started, as I told you, candle represents what? A money coming in, money going out. Red candle represents money going out. Green candle represents money coming in, basically. As you saw, a big chunk of money was gone of the market. Market value was here. Money gone. Market came here. So this is what? This is a supply zone, from where a sudden drop comes. The sudden, like the this cash. If I delete the first cash, if I delete this first cash, if I delete it, price will come here. If I delete this one, it's no, this delete means basically if I take the money out, the price will come here. Same thing. Now the instant selling, very good selling pressure from any of the market, very good. Like it is selling. A lot of money came out of the market. It can be from the big player, it can be of anything. Now this supplies, it has two reasons. Two, either for the profit, or either a big player, whale, industrial people made a transaction. They transferred some Bitcoin for some trade, for something. Okay. Because see, if even if I have, let's say I have in this my purse, I have almost 6 million Bitcoin. That purse has a value, way value, like, oh my god, that purse has 6 million Bitcoin. But until and unless I don't use it, the purse is useless for me, just carrying it until unless I use it. Now their wallet, the big place, industrial wheels and blah 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 wallet, is having some money and they are using it. Now this supply comes with, like I said, transaction, because they are using it for what? They are using it for transaction. Sending money, receiving money, sending money, receiving money. Got it? Okay. So this is our supplies. When a pile of cash has been taken out from the market, which is supporting the price. And how do we capture a supply zone? Basically, this is the one very big red candle. From there, the previous candle, we just go from that open to close to the open and we mark it. That's all. These are supply zone. Whenever the next time market may come again to this point, either it will do the selling, or either it can cross and go up, because not all the time the selling will happen. Like at this, it's the same way of the fair value gap. Fair value gap contains of the those, what is it called, limit order? No, limit order is called limit order. No, it is limit order. Okay. Fair value gaps are like a limit order has placed over here. Like at that moment, they want to buy with the XYZ amount of price and blah 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 situation. Okay. So same, not all the time supply zones is gonna work. Like if market comes down, it may. Okay. I will come in 1 few minute. So I was telling you regarding how to find a supply zone. Supply zone is basically from where an extreme selling has started to happen. Extreme selling, which represents in a straight downfall with a big candles like this. Selling not like wait. This is not a supply zone. Okay, the selling happened. I get it. The market went from this point to this point, but the major supply came from this. This is the supply because of the big money instantly came. That's our supply zone where the this supply zone makes us in a situation like same way we use fair value gaps. And maybe if the market comes to this moment, another limit order will get placed and the market can go up. Same way, demand zone is basically this was a zone where demand was created. Even if it went down from here, again if it comes down, this is the point where again a demand zone maybe will come. That's what we go on, maybe situation. Okay, I'll show you two to three scenario of demand and supply zone. Okay, 2 to 3. Okay, cool. So can you see this big straight up candle? Money was added up. So this is what? This is our demand zone right over here. Okay. Can you see exactly market went, tapped in once, again went up, came down, and from that demand zone again the market shoot up from that exact same zone which we created. From that exact zone which we created. That's what happened in the market. From this point, we entered, market made a lot of good demand, halted for a while, and then again from that exact demand zone, the market shoot up. Now I'll show you something for supplies. Now, this is a straight up big candle for the downside. I want to make this as my supply zone. Again, this is a big red candle previous to that small candle which you can see, that will be our supply zone of the market. Okay, till now it has not been breached. Let me find something which has been breached. One, 1, 4. Eight. Yes. So straight fall down. This is what? This is our supply zone. Can you see that market fall down, went up, again fall down, went up, again fall down, tried to break it, couldn't sustain it, came down, again tried to go up, and from that exact zone, straight up down. Supply zone. Simple, very simple. Supply and demand zone is basically trying to find where big money came and big money went out. That's what we want to know. When a big money goes out, that doesn't mean that market may will react in a very different way. Big money coming in doesn't mean, no, sorry. Big money going out doesn't mean that it is sold for some XYZ reason for gaining profit or blah blah blah. Big money going out can be just a simple transaction as well. At some moment we see like sometime, even if there is a uptrend going on, we see a big red candle, some uptrend again. The normal, this is also good candle, big medium size candle. Now this all candle doesn't mean that it's just used for gaining a profit. This sometime it also means that a transaction has happened, market lost that bitcoin, that's why it's resulting in that red, but it is used for a transaction of any industrial people, for raw material, for any of those things. Not just always it's for the profit, sometimes it's most of for the big player use it for the transactions. Now, as we know how valuable Bitcoin, Ethereum, and any other coin is, how valuable it is, we know these things for very straight up. Everybody wants it in their hand, and a lot of other platforms are providing deposit amount. A lot of different platforms are providing some other amount, as in like they are giving you 500, take 500, you start doing trading, take 200, start doing trading, take 100, start doing trading. That's what they are offering to all of the people, but not the end goal. That's what we feel like everybody wants to have a cryptocurrency in their hand. And how about you feel that you can have it in the first step itself? First step of any is to start any platform is to start and open an account. That's the first step. Create an account, right? So what if I tell you that we are not going to offer you a deposit amount, but the end product itself? Why you are having deposit? To get a cryptocurrency in your hand. Am I right or wrong? Right. Now, what if I tell you that at the first very step of that creating account, you are gonna get the first ever crypto asset in your hand, without a trade, without anything, without investing, as a reward. It's a new user reward for each and everybody of out there, like everybody who wants to start their financial freedom journey, who want to start a crypto journey so they can be relieved with their financial crisis management, blah blah blah, whatever it is, and you want to earn an extra chunk of money so that you can live an extra life rather than just surviving, start living your life. So for that you need to start a financial freedom. You for that you need to have a passive source of income, that it can come from anywhere. I won't say it only comes from the trading, I won't say that, I won't say, but it's the most available one, it's the most effortless one, it's the most easiest compared to opening a business, compared to opening a hotel, compared to opening any restaurant, compared to opening one startup, compared to opening one beer like company, straight up company, making a product, selling it, blah blah blah. Compared to those things, yes, trading is very easy, safe, risk is everywhere. Everything has a good and bad, even your family has a good and bad. It's not about like you get 100% happy family. Yeah, everybody has some goods and bads. We have to ignore. We can't just like, if we just go by like, okay, this is also bad, this is also bad, then you can't even do anything, because everything in this world comes with the good and the bad factor. So with this thing, the trading becomes the most easiest, effortless, and the most simplest way for adding a passive income source. Why? Because you can do it from anywhere, wherever you want. You just need an internet connectivity, which I know everybody has 24/7. Before you used to turn off the net and sleep. Now nobody does that. I know nobody does that. The net is still on. They sleep every time their phone is connected to the internet. Every time. I know that. So we don't have a issue in the internet, and we don't have issue, like I said, you can do it from anywhere. You just need an app or a laptop, that's all. See some entries, make an entry, and that's all, you can do it. So why are you waiting? And with this I am sharing you a Cbit, which is the one of the most easiest, simplest platform of the crypto trading, which can help your crypto journey become at ease. And you can also get first ever crypto asset at cbit.com just by creating what an account. I will guide you to step by step because there are three rewards, not one, not two, three rewards for all of you waiting for all of the new users which you can use, and it will be great. You can use these rewards by just following the simple steps which I will be telling you. Now, Zbits new user reward is for everybody. First, anybody can use it. Everybody can use it, and we want everybody to use it. Take an advantage and grab the first ever crypto asset from Zbit. Okay, because offer is limited. First step is to create an account. You have to simply give some information like country, code, where are you from, email address, your password, and that's it. And that's it. You just have to create this XYZ amount of things, your country code, email address, password, and that's it. You're signed up, and the first step is completed. Congratulations to you because you have earned a free spin. Now, this free spin has eight different coins. Eight different coins. Four are those coins which are above $1, and four are those which is below $1. Four out of this four, two are stable, like Ethereum you can see, and Bitcoin you can see. You can see my arrow is pointing it out at Ethereum and the Bitcoin. They are stable. Out of these two things, one is XRP and this is Solana. Now these two coins are altcoins, not a meme coin, but alternative. These are a better alternatives for you because Solana is like more cheaper, more faster than the Ethereum, right? So this four coins are above the dollar, and then you get the meme coins. Out of this, as you can see, it's a spin. It will start spinning after you created an account, and it will give you one of your first ever crypto asset. Whatever quantity you will be having, it's okay. You don't have to worry regarding a quantity. Why? Because the next two steps will be given to you, and the two rewards which will you will receive is for the quantity to increase so that you have higher opportunity of gaining a profit, not a lower but a higher. Okay, now first step you did, you got the lucky spin. Out of those eight you received one xyz amount of, like, let's say cryptocurrency. Let's say you got Ethereum, you received that xyz amount of quantity over there which is mentioned, which is mentioned down 0.001 0 point, the one which is above $1 will be having a little less quantity, and the one which is below $1 which will have a good quantity, like Pepe is 1,000, Shiba Inu is also 1,000, Doge is 1, and XYZ. Okay, now you received one coin. That's your first ever cryptocurrency. Congratulations for that. Now, next step is doing your KYC. You need to complete your KYC. That KYC is going to help you in achieving verification, in achieving one very good reward. But before that, you need to verify yourself. By doing the KYC process, you just need to give some identification proof that you are this and blah 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 blah. That's all. That's all. Nothing else. After completing that KYC process, after completing that KYC process, you are going to receive a second reward. That second reward talks about a double bonus reward. Now, this is a chance for you to divide, to multiply your quantity by two. That is double bonus. Basically, 1,000 multiplied by 2, 2,000. 10,000 multiplied by 2, 20,000. Simply multiply by 2, it will happen. Whatever currency you will be receiving, that quantity will be getting multiplied by 2. This is our double bonus reward. Multiply the quantity by 2. Now, like I said to you, the second and the third step is there only for increasing the quantity, which will increase the profit value of your whatever. If you want to hold it, you can hold it as well, okay, because that's what Cryptocurrency offers you a freedom that if you want to hold it for a longer period of time, you can do it. You are the owner. It will be in your wallet. Now you can do whatever you feel like you want to do. You can do whatever you feel like you can do. Okay, now the third step is one of the best step, because here you're not just increasing the quantity by double or triple or four times, you are increasing the quantity maybe by 100 times. 100 time better quantity, like 100 times more quantity you may can have. Why I said me? Because there is a surprise, there is a condition. But first let's talk about the third step. The third step is to deposit a $10 or more into your capital account so that you can start doing trading. The trading is very required because capital account is required a lot into your trading. Capital account is basically your way of adding funds into the market, into the trade. Take a trade, sell a trade, where you will receive your xyz amount of profit or xyz amount of loss. This is the point. That's your capital account. So you need to deposit $10 or more to start your crypto journey. Now $10 is actually very low. What is $10 in INR? In $10 INR is just 900 INR. Okay, that's all. That's all it is. 900 rupees. That's all. Okay, so you can start your crypto journey in just 900 INR. But yes, you won't be having a lot of good coins to trade in, like Bitcoin, Ethereum. You cannot trade in those coins with just $10. Obviously. Even if you take like 125 or 200x leverages, still $10 very less for you to enter in the market. You may can enter in XRP, you may can enter in other coins, but not those big coins. If you want to enter, then you have to invest more. Got it? Cool. So this third reward has a condition that you need to deposit $10 or more. If you don't deposit more than $10, then you are not gonna receive the third reward, which is the one of the best reward, because you are getting an opportunity to multiply your quantity maybe by 100. Now why I say this maybe, let's talk about the reward. Third reward is called as a surprise multiplier. You can multiply your quantity maybe by from 5x to 100x. That's the range of the surprise multiplier. It starts from 5 and it ends at 100. In between, anything can come, maybe 10, maybe 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, or even 100. You are having a chance to multiply your quantity, increasing it maybe by 10 times more, 30 times more, 50 times more, 80 times more, or maybe even 100 times more quantity you can have straight into your wallet, or you to do anything whatever you want to do. I'll just give you one example. Let's just say you received Solana. Let's just say, okay, let's come to Solana. Okay. First step was register, which basically create an account. Reward you received was what? 0. 0.1 Solana. Some people may get 0.001, but I have seen common people get 0.1. Okay, so there are some people who also have got 0.01. That's the reason. Okay. Some people have also got 0.01. So be aware of that. What is the value of 0.0 Solana? Which is basically right now the market is at 205. So Solana price will be 0.01, price will be 220.5. Just putting one decimal from the back. 20.5 what USD dollar will be the price of zero point 0.1 Solana which you will be receiving at the first step itself. $20 worth of Solana will be received by you in the first step itself. Got it? Now, second step. Second step was what? Second step was KYC and the reward. Second step was KYC and the reward. What is the reward of the second step? The reward of the second step is basically your double double bonus, which basically means zero point 0.1 which you have in the first place will get multiplied by 2 which will be equal to 0.2. Now 0.2 Solana will be basically what? It's just like 205 multiplied by, let's use calculator. Fast. Where's calculator? Okay, I have calculator to 0.5 multiplied by 2, 41. So the 0.2 Solana value will be 41 US. Now in the second step as well, as I told you, made the value double. But in the third step, you cannot, you won't make it this double or triple, maybe 5 times, 200 times. Let's just say for a sake. Third step first, which is basically your deposit 10 USD or more. Okay, and the reward is surprise multiply, which is from 5x and it can go up to 100x. Let's just say that you received, let's just say that you received 30. 30 is your what? 30 is the surprise multiplier you see. Because from 5 to 100, let's pick 30. Not too high, not too low, somewhere in the between 30. So 0.2 multiplied by 30 equals to what is 0.2 multiplied 6. It's 6 Solana. So 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 204, which will become 1224 USD worth of Solana in the end. You started from what? You started from just $20. Just $20 you started from. Second step made it double. Third step can give you maybe 5 times to 100 times more and make it reach that 20 up to 1224 USDT. That is an unbelievable. This is what an extra quantity gives. That's why I tell you to, like, with an investment of low quantity comes low profit. Low quantity, low profit. High quantity, high profit. Okay, that's what we are doing for all of our new users. So please make sure that you are using this and you are getting a lot of, like, see, you can download from every phone in your family, your mom, dad, sister, brother, blah 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 blah, your friends group, everybody can download it from over, download it together, and you can see what people can get, because at the end this is a very lucky spin. What you will be receiving is a thing, like maybe you get lucky, maybe your friend get lucky, if your family, everybody gets lucky, then you can transfer those things into your wallet as well. That is also possible. Or you can just sell it and you can have it with you. Anything is possible. Like I said, you are the owner of that XYZ coin. You do what you feel like to do. Okay, cool. This is our new user viewer. I just gave you and calculations for one, which is Solana. I gave you for. You can do the same thing for any other coins. Now, surprise multiplier, I will tell you the common response is 10, 20, 30. Highest people may can get up to 40, and luckiest people may can get 80, 90, 100. Cool. So that was regarding the CBIT new users. Let's see what we can do in today's market. what we can see in the market today. Let's see. I can see a fair value gap which is been respected. This is our FVG. It also looks like, but yeah, but I won't say it like completely. Let it form first because it is kind of looking like a triangle pattern over here. This and this. An ascending triangle pattern which may give us an uptrend. May. It's not confirm yet because a triangle pattern has to confirm. And we cannot rely on the initial start of any candle pattern. There might be so many times it will happen, like you see, like it may be turn up into triangle pattern like this, maybe that, but it's a very initial stage. The pattern is not completed. The same way I thought yesterday in here that this is gonna be a round bottom pattern, which it looked like because it came, it consolidated and then went, but this too, sudden price sell and sudden price high change the complete pattern, and it is not what it is. Okay, so yesterday the same thing I did. Today I'm not going to do the same thing. It looks like, but we have to wait for that pattern to get complete so that we will call it as that XYZ chart pattern, whichever we see. But before that, we should not. Whatever we have in front of us, that's all we should be looking at in the market. So we are going to make a consolidation zone over here right now, because see, one is a red side fair value gap which we have in the market right here, and another one is this one good fair value gap which is right here, and this is for green side buy. This is also AG fair value gaps. Okay, so right now we may see the market is consolidating by going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up, until unless one of this is going to give us either upside breakout or a downside breakout. Now that we will be focusing on which breakout we will be getting into the market. But right now we have achieved what? A zone for us. This is a consolidation zone for us. If the market goes up, fair value gap can push it down. We never know that it will push down till the fair value gap. Maybe like this, like if market went up, pushed down, and in the between itself, it got pushed up. So we can never know it will from, if market falls from here, it will touch to the fair value gap, then only it will go up. No, this is not compulsory. Market can take a retracement, pullback, whatever you know call it, from wherever place the market needs. There is no complete normal structure which is forming over here. There is no structure like we used to have the structure trading, like making higher high, higher high. So this is a consolidation phase where the market is trying to go in a sideways manner, not making lower lows, not making higher highs. It is going in a side. So in the side, it becomes very hard for us to take any kind of trade. But we will wait to see what kind of trade we will be getting. Our supply zone market has fallen from there once again it went and maybe it will fall again. Add value here. I want to see something because it's a very weird structure, but smart SMC can tell me what's happening. It's actually making any structure or not. Change of character happened here, break of structure happened over here. This is a retracement. Hmm. Or because here I want to go for buy looking at the breakout structure because it started making higher highs, higher lows. But just a one part is this. This is just a first higher high is made, and this first higher low is made. If it crosses this situation, then we may can hope to go for buy, and then this look like a retracement. But I'm also thinking that if it is at a supply zone, maybe it will fall down and come again to a supply zone and create a consolidation phase like this. See, and let's observe more what may can happen in the market. Mhm. Shall I check RSI for any divergence? No divergence. La- uh, uh, Such a confusing structure. Can't say if it's higher high, making higher highs, making lower lows, what it will make, what may can happen. Nothing. Right now it's falling. It's falling good. This is the two sides of the market. Can you see it? This is the bigger upper trend. Breakout structure, breakout structure. This is a downtrend. But in that downtrend, you can also see uptrend. This is referred to as an external and internal structure of the market. Internal structure is this. External structure in this is internal structure. This is internal. This is internal. External structure is this, this, this. It gave us a break of structure. Falling good. I'll come implement breaks. What I want to check is if it crosses this, will it give us pullback or not? Fair value gap is there. Maybe we'll have a pullback. Let's see it after 15 minutes. Market actually dropped, came to this point of the fair value gap, had a very bit a minute rejection over here. Let's see if the rejection continues or not. This is the same scenario going on. It came to that point. Two king enters, one king leaves. The new evolution has came. To accept whatever it is. Collect this. What can I get? What can I get? Let's see. This, I want this, I want this, I want this. One more strike, one last strike. Princess 5. Only cooler. It's free. It's free. It's free. This is also free. Not a free stuff free. Nice. Any new emote? No, not this. Looking for a good one, legit good. Okay, great. I want to update arrows because sometimes I cannot kill collection. Book, set, check for I can use it for, can use it for them. Sharpens. It's not allowing me to do. Six I have. I can use princess. Princess to be try champion. I want this. No, I will evolve this. Boss bandit legitly it's top G right now. And let's do this. Never used it, but still let's do it. Use it. 600. I'll collect more. Let's change my banner as well. Show more. What I want to change to something good. Use use this. No badges. Hmm. Let's go. Man. Okay. Let's fast. Okay. How much damage I took? And very less damage I gave. do you have for this? Nice. Come on. I knew that one for the tower, but it's fine. One hit I can take. Let's go for this one here. One hit, come on, let's give me one hit. Nice. Here, one hit. That's all. That was needed. Let's go for this. Let's go for this. Let's go for this. Let's go for this. There's a fireball for this now. It's good. Let's run. How did that happen? Okay, he's pushing a lot. Pushing a lot. Pushing a lot. Hey. Here. Look over here. Look alive. Fuckers. Right. Just stay. Thanks. Let's go for Tesla over here. Done and dusted. Print little prints in the back. Market looking good. Little rejection we saw. Not a big one. Why is making me use this? Couldn't. It's fine. Let's go this. Let's go this. Wow. Wow. He has too many irritating things. Oh yes. Tesla is kind of healthy, not healthy, kind of. He has too many irritating things. But I think I'll manage. I'll manage. Why no tower? Why I didn't took tower? I should have taken tower. I should have taken tower. I should have taken a tower. Nice. Good. Each well played. Whatever. He's lousy in playing game. Certain thing is lousy. is the hint should not be this lousy to play. Counters for everything, special counters for everything. Second loss. Fine. Building. So for this, little prince in the back, waiting for a sum up. Let's sum up. Let's go for this in the back. Fast killing, fast, fast. Very fast killing. What you have for this? Nothing. Good. One attack. Why? Oops. Why? I did that. I have an elixir. Not be using elixir. Let's combine. The little prince in the back. He has XC. That's not good. XCs are always the most fucker guys I've ever seen. He's making XC. Won't use anything for XC. Won't use anything for XC. Won't use XC. Won't use anything for hey. So, little prince in the back. Let's fireball kill. No, some kill. Too bad for him. Too bad for me as well. Just one left. Yes, I'll go for here. So you are here. I can do it. It has just poison. That's all it has. It just has poison in his axe. Doesn't make any sense of the version. Could have been a better one. It definitely could have been a better one. But no, they went for the most normal, lousy one. So you kill one person at a time. And it's over here. Magic Archer to support. Let's go. Okay, now you don't have any. Oh shit. Fine. And 1 and 2. This over here. This at this place. If anything happens, I can go for this over here. You over here. Hey, come back. I'll get one hit, two hit, two hit, three. Let's go for more hits. You can't do it, brother. Brother, you can't do it, brother. Brother, it won't be possible. Brother, you're losing. Got everything you need. Got almost everything you need. Oh, why I got stunned at that moment? Should have got stunned. Okay, I win. Let's go. I need gems for the wins. Let's go crazy. D dot 123. Okay, D dot 123. 15th. He has on 15 level. Bro, just imagine his card. His card will be on the ultra max level shit. Trust me, it is on the ultra max level shit. Nice. Magic Archer. Got stuck. Have to distract this over here. Hey. Hey. Get distracted, brother. Get distracted. This is not gonna happen. This is not gonna happen. Oh, wow. Wow. It's clearly a tower. Yeah, yeah, the rockets as well. Nice. Nice. But yes, rockets as well. One more rocket, I feel it's gonna take everything. Everything. Until if I just keep on pushing, maybe things will work out. Maybe if I keep pushing, things might work out. Ah, that's gone, bro. The tower's gone. I use again. Next game, I'll show you what I got. Next game. Might have regretted it. Oh, he has those as well. Wow, he has so many kachra. He has so many waste materials. Is he carrying so many, not one, not two, so many waste material he's carrying. A lot of waste material. It will be hard. We can manage. We can manage. We will manage. It will be a little hard. It will be done. Run, boy, run. Run fast. Oh, he's waiting. Yeah, I knew he's waiting for that. He's waiting for that. He's waiting for that. I knew he's waiting for that. Keep extra. Don't jump. Don't jump. Don't jump. Don't jump. Jumping is not good. Jumping is not good. Not good. Not good. Not good. Okay. Saved. Saved. I hate chip damage. I don't like chip damages. 1, 2, 3, something. At least I got something. It's gonna be very tip to tip, tip to tip, tip to tip, tip to tip, 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 tip to tip. Oh, take advantage, kill him fast, kill him fast, kill him fast, kill him fast, kill him fast. 1, 2, 3, take advantage, kill him fast, kill him fast. That's what I want. I know you'll put chip damage. I know you will do this situations. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Let's go for this as well. That's what you're gonna go for. At least you killed it. Nice. Nice boy. Nice. I like it. I liked it, boy. I liked it. Nice. You killed it. Irritating deck. Very irritating deck is very. And kill him like this only. Kill him like this. Kill him like this. And kill him like this. And kill him like this. And kill him like this. Kill him like this. So many, so many, so many things. Control. You can't. You can't go crazy. Control. Crazy. Let's go crazy. Let's go crazy. Oh, nice. 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 1, 2, 3. Out of the cycle, 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 out of the cycle. Tesla ready for the attack. Shit he has. That's very shit thing that he's having. Don't get bothered by it. Not in million days, brother. I mean, doesn't have elixir. Maybe has. Yeah, that's a small thing. I should. Like kill. Nice. Very nice. Want at least 1 hit. 1 hit from you. 2 hits. 1 more. Nice. Let's go by Tesla. Go over here. And do anything. Let's go this over here. At this point. Why? Out of everybody, why you started watching that? Let's go for this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Felt good. Felt good. Felt alive. Let's go. That's what I've talking about. We'll get to it. 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 Somehow we will get to it. Let's go. Grinder. It's not at least spell right. At least the least you could do is have a correct spelling. Oh, so much, so much, so much, so much, so much to clean, so much to clean, so much to clean, so much to clean, 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 so much to clean. Clean on. The minimal. He didn't expect this. Oh, he has. He has. Come on. He didn't expect this. After one hit. I want to find an angle for Magic Archer. He will drop. He will drop. Yeah, it's very far. Cannot take that angle. Why he did that? Shit. The shit. It's a shit. It's a shit. Shit. It's a shit. Knight. Knight in the front. Wow. 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 Find a death warrant or what? I don't have anything. I'll go with this. I'll cry for you, brother. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not a single hit. That's good. Let's go. Let's go over here. Do what? Now what? What you got? What you got? What you got? Bop. Bop. What you got? What you got? What you got? What you got? What do you want? What do you want? What do you got? You got nothing. You got nothing. You got nothing. I like emotes. Emotes are very good. I can show you the sound of the emotes because if I turn on this voice, then you cannot hear me happening in the market. Let's check up real quick. From fair value gap, we have seen a rejection. That's what we expected from the market. Are we looking at a broadening wedge pattern? Let me just create one thing. This. Okay. Let's see if this turns up to be a broadening wedge pattern. Looks like that, but let's see. Still consolidating. Still consolidating. The closest we can see is this, which is having some broadening wedge pattern look. Okay. Let's get back. What I'm talking. Now I got the whole world talking. King put. Match. Let's start it. Now I got the whole world talking. King put. Okay. Shit things. Shit things is getting shit things. He mad. Oh, it won't kill. Ghazal is alive. Supported. Ghazal is alive and supported. Jump. Good. He-Man. True question. He didn't go for those. Didn't go. Betrayal, brother. Betrayal. That's betrayal. That's betrayal. That's ultimate betrayal. Ultimate betrayal. What the not? Yeah. Good. Good. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Kill the Ghazal. Fast. Fast. Oh, he killed so much. Oh boy, he killed so much. To make a gang. Have to bring the game. The gang has to fight. 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 Fight gang, fight, fight. But shitty fight. Have to throw him out of the boat, out of the boat, out of the boat. Ghazal still alive. Ghazal. How he can? Meditate, yes. Meditation is the key. It is key. I hate Expo and Tesla like a lot. A lot. It's like a genuine hate I have for them. They attack from this point. They don't attack in front of face to. They attack from very far. And that's what I hate. Hog riders are okay, fine. One caution. One caution. One caution. Oh, wrong move. A very wrong move. A very wrong move. A very wrong, very wrong, very, 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 very. What you got? What you. What? I haven't seen this for a long, long time. I haven't seen this. Oh, that's still alive. Skeleton, really skeleton, skeleton. I went for skeleton, skeleton, really skeleton. Yeah, that's it. It's very good. Maybe, bro, hit. What you doing, bro? Hit, hit. Reach on the time. He has irritating deck. I'm not liking this irritating deck. Okay, I'm not liking this irritating deck. What is the stupid deck is carrying? I'm not liking that stupid deck. The one he's carrying right. With this, but I got this. I got this. We'll do this. I will save Tesla for another day. Another day I'll be alive. I'll be alive for another day. Another day is I will see another day. I will see. I will see. Will see. Will see another day. He has everything. Every. Okay. Maybe this, somehow. Gazal. This is waiting for my Tesla to come out. You came out, brother. Came out. Tesla came out. I have to find him in that spot. Let's go cross section. I have to trick him in somehow. I cannot trick him like this, but I have to trick him in some way. In some way. Way I have to trick him. I have to trick him in some way. Some one way where I can find him that one position. And then that's my way. That's my victory. Let's go. Let's go. Whoosh! Okay. Push. Every opportunity. Okay. There is it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Don't worry. Okay. Straight. Straight attacks. Straight attacks. Nowhere else. Straight attacks. 1, 2, and 3. And right. Pizza. Gain Fedi.os. 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 What you wanna throw? Throw this. Right. Wow. 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 Saved. 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 8. Almost everything. 20 is left. Nice. 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 That we took out every of those things. Obviously, try to push. I'll try to save. 1, 2, and 3. Nice. Felt good. Thanks. Felt very nice. Felt very nice. Felt nice. And that. Okay. Good. Good. God. The Christ sake. But I still have to take the another tower. Anyhow. I know. Yes, I know. I have to take another tower. I know. I know. I can take advantage of this over here. And this. Let's go 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 hit. 2 hit was not enough. Was not enough. This is what? Okay. Go, Diego, go. Go, Diego, go. Go, Diego, go, Diego, go. Okay. 1, 2, yeah, got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. We got it. We got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. Jump. We got this. We got this. Completely, it's under our control. It's under our control. Nobody can reach anywhere. Not you can touch stuff. Let's go for it and kill, 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 kill. Nice. Let's find him within our range. Kill, 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 kill. Two people, two people, two people, three people, two people, three people. How many people I can put? I will put everybody, everybody on that guy. Tesla, ready for you. Save. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. Let's find some guys. Small attacks. Small attacks. Small attacks. I have Tesla. Come to pop. Come to pop. Come to pop. Carrying it from here. Slow here. Another boy. Another boy. Another boy. Another boy. Another boy. Let's tease him a little. You ain't got shit. You ain't got shit. I got it. I got everything in my control. Everything is under the control of me. 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 Everything. Everything is like almost in my control. Almost. I can't curse here. It's hard to suppress that feeling inside. I was in control. I lost control. I was in the control. In the control. Was in the control. Nice, nice, nice. Hey, wait. What? Wasted for 2 hits. It's fine. 2 hits is also good. Come back. This is good. Something huge will be dropped. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Let's do this. Let's do this. Yeah, he has so much irritating stuffs, and I am not in the liking of this irritating stuff. Like too many small stuffs, and I got arrows. One arrow I have. I got just one arrow. He has minions as well. He has a lot of stuffs. Yeah, he has that as well. Pushing. Have to push. Have to push. Have to push harder. Nothing is there. 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 Ah, he has those things. Okay, you come here. Wait. Wait. Okay. Saved. 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 Even for a fraction of second, but that is save is a save. Doesn't matter, big or small. You go here. I need small hit. Big. Wait, don't move, don't move. 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 Atharo Pagiri, what's up? What's up? Atharo, how you doing, brother? Sick. Bestie. Okay. Ghazal. Maybe, maybe. One hit is all I can give you, brother. Sorry for that. But only one hit. That's that thing as well. Hmm. Ah, really? Damage over here is great, he will think, but the way here he comes. Okay, he was prepared. He was prepared. He's prepared. 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 Brother. See this, see this, see this, see this. Okay. Okay. One hit I needed. One hit is all it takes to fall in the trap. Ah, nice. Nice use of ability. What's the point? What's the point? Exactly. What's the wasted four elixir wasted. Let's go. We'll find. We will find. We can find. We can find the way. The way. We can find the way. Stupid. Stupid. We'll find a way. 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 We will not one single hit. Not a single hit. Not a one. I don't need anybody. Anybody to hit me. Anybody to hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me, brother. Hit me. I have to change something to show him something. To change and I have to show something. It won't happen. It's fine. I couldn't change. One man cannot change. Three men can. Gaza. Kripti, hey cutie, how are you doing today? Hello, beautiful. How are you doing today? I am doing today good. Playing game, trading. Would love to talk dirty with you, but this live stream doesn't allow me. So oh, that shitty deck. He has that shitty deck. He thinks he can win with a shitty deck. Shitty deck. Shitty. First. Oh, he probably may win. He probably may win. He probably may win. He probably may win. We try to kill her. Kill him. Get me. Give me doses of good elixirs. Nice. I have a heavy thing coming in from the front. Another two guys. Nice. Magic Archer. Magic Archer OP. Magic Archer OP. Magic Archer OP. And he thinks he has to protect that. That's the one he's not gonna protect. Let's cry. 2 minutes of silence for this guy. Very quick hits. Quick and fast hits. Very quick and fast hits. Okay. Quick and fast. Quick and fast. Quick and fast. Can you hear me? Quick and fast. Okay. And that's enough. That's good. Obvious that tower is down. Obviously. Let's do this. Where are those? Where is this? Yeah, that's the one. Group. One will go from here, one will go from here, one will go from here, one here, one this, and let's see. He thought he can win. Trippi, I love this game. So do I. So do I. I love this game. I do love this. This game is good. But sometimes it's very frustrating. Sometimes it's like very, very, very frustrating. Very frustrating. But it's fine. Bro, I was not even looking at the deck. Okay, things are coming. I'll save myself. This is the what? Bro, he didn't turn. He did not turn. He did not turn. Bad. It's bad. That's no loyalty at all. Wow. That was some game, bro. That was some shitty game. That was some shit. That was some shit. Good things which happened. Yeah, I'm gonna give up. I give up. You can do it whatever you want. I give up. I give up. Giving up is not bad. Not that bad. Not that bad. Not that bad. Man. See, this looks like a ascending, broadening wedge pattern. It's going up and it is taking rejection from those trend line itself. There is a fair value gap is sitting. Black. Hey, 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 hey. I won't let this thing happen. Show me what you got. 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 Wait, why? Why sudden power ups? We don't need some power ups. The tower is gone. The tower is gone. Wow. There's many things he has. He's one of the Gaurav player, I think. That as well, this as well, that as well, this as well, that as well, this as well. Everything he has. He has almost everything. Gaurav kind of. Well, sad for you. Mira, black on you looks hot. Thanks. Thanks, Mira. Appreciate your honesty. Shit, shit, shit. Wrong side, wrong side, wrong side, wrong side. I went, wrong side, I went, wrong side. Ah, that's fine. Again, let's cry on me. Well, maybe black looks hot on you. Thanks, Mira. Thanks. I know it looks hot. Probably I will look more hot. Hmm, that's fine. After so long. Hello, Pekka. How you do? Right now. Okay, I got few hits. Few hits is okay. Okay. Hmm, cry. That's all you can do. Cry. 14th level guard he has. Fuck, he has boss bandit. It's gonna be. That's gonna be. Boss bandit is such a. I mean, like the health, the power, everything he has. Everything. Everything. You should not have. One thing should be nerfed. She has speed, she has power, she has health. Wow. Look at that guy. He has an evolved mini evolved Pekka. Come on. Fast hits. One, two, three. There's everything. Okay, start hitting this. Only back I'll hit this. I'll have magic archer. Come on, magic. I know you got the magic. 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 He's not using any abilities. That's good that he is not using the abilities. Even I am not using abilities. Should be using abilities. Not right now. Not right now. Okay. 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 Let me hear. Let me hear. Let me. I won't play. Let me. Yeah, yeah. Well played. Boss Bandit and P.E.K.K.A combination is good actually. Let me have Boss Bandit. I want to have Boss Bandit now. I want to have Boss Bandit. What shall I remove? Let me remove the mirror. Remove the mirror. I want to have boss bandit. I'm done. Done. That mega pissed me off. Boss bandit is actually very good to have. Good to have. There is boss bandit. You have a grade. Grading. We can have only one. Hmm. Have mirror. Hmm. I can have two evolutions. I already have two evolutions. One is Tesla, one is this. What else I can evolve? What else evolution do I have? I don't have this, I don't have that, I don't have this, I don't have that. It's let's battle. Boss Bandit versus everybody. Everybody versus Boss Bandit. 6 elixir she's 6 elixir. One hit. Okay. I know you will be saved. I know you will be saved. Oof. Ooh, jeez, Rick. Split up. Maybe. Maybe we can do that damage. Maybe, yes. We did that damage. We did it. हमने किया, हमने किया, हमने किया. Yay. I won't let you wait, restore, or golem. I know you want golem out. I cannot give you that opportunity to give golem out. Well, please. Uh, fast, fast, fast. Don't hit it. Got that. And I got this. I got, I got, I got, I got, I got, I got it. 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 I don't have to use it right now. Don't have to use it right now. Okay, maybe right now. Maybe right now is the point where I should be using. Maybe right now. Let's bandit. One more hit. One more hit. I want to give you one more hit. One more hit. One more hit. As much as hit I can give. We are looking at things in a different way. You, me, not same. We different, brother. We different. We different. We different than each other. Different than each other. What did I do? What I did? What I did? I should kill. I should kill her fast. She's gonna empty. She's gonna empty. What? With one hit? With one hit, she did it. With one hit. It's not good. It doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Ay, ay, ay. that. It's fine. Let that feeling go away. We'll move on. We'll move on from this. We should move on from this. There is no way. We should just move on from this. There is no point other than moving on. Let's go, mini Pekka over here. He wasted so much elixir. One and two pancakes. I want to eat pancakes. These pancakes. Boss. Boss. Let's go, boss. One. Oh, you can't give me two hits. I'll take one more. One more. I needed one more. But it's fine. That's fine. Greed is not good. Not good. Let's crack. Shame. 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 Boss. Mini Becca is 7 elixirs. mm. That's right. Let's do this in one go. I need it. In one go. Boss. Hit. One more. Many hits, 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 many hits. Apple, apple. What goes in the head of a man? Man will never know. Oh, wait, stop. Wait a minute. Do my eyes, I'm looking at it. Styling, wilding, living it up in a city. Thanks. He doesn't know that I have boss bandit. Okay. Yeah. Okay, 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 okay. Here we go. 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 Good luck. You don't know what's coming. You don't know what's coming to you, brother. You have no idea what's coming to you. Boss. Let's go, boss. One superficial hit was necessary. One superficial hit was necessary. One superficial hit. One superficial hit. One hit. Well, that's enough. I'm a low expectation guy. I don't need more. I don't need more. One is enough. Kill. Kill that guy. Kill that guy. Kill that guy. Kill that guy. Kill that. Oh well. Ah. Come over here. Come over here. Come over. Come over. Come over here. 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 What you need is to come over here. You need to come over here. Ah. Ah. Really go. Really go. You think you will just keep on thinking that you can do it, but you can't do it. Da-da-da-da. I done that. Good luck. I Tesla agent. Yeah, go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Boss. And he's over here. He's killing me. He's killing me. He's killing me and my boss. This is the end. Na, 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 na. Boss, boss, boss. Very nice, boss. Very nice. Do it. What I can do about it. What I can do. विश्व का तब मेरा नाम मेरा should not sing that song, sing that song for fun. Achoo, अरे यार, अरे यार, अरे यार. Now this is wrong. Now this is exactly completely wrong. Now this is completely against the rules, regulations, and every of those things. Yeah, good game. Yeah, there's one mistake, and he gets to play, and he gets to laugh. Just one mistake, one tiny mistake. With one tiny mistake, he gets to laugh at me like one wrong placement of the magic archer. One wrong placement of magic archer. Mode Rosie. Okay. Let's go, Mode Rosie. Let's have boss versus boss. Boss versus boss. Phew. I got good hits. I got good hits. Good hits. Good hits. Good hits. Well. Oh, nice. Till there you can go, right? This is the tile there. Yeah, right. Oh, let's go. Mod Rosie. Are you ready for this? One hit I got. One extra hit. Come on. Come on. One. Come to my apartment. I wanted not to get hit from you. You hit is good, not good. You hit is not good. Okay, it will be a long game. It's so long game. It's so long game. It will be a long game. It is gonna be a long game. A very long game. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. It just keeps on coming, coming, coming. It's gonna be a long. I can see it that it's a long. Gonna be a long. Because we both have like all the all the troops for each other. We have like everything, everything. We have almost everything. We have everything, 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 everything. Don't hit. He got the hit. He got the hit. Oh, he got the hit. Okay, that's my last game, fam. Thank you so much for being a part of this, the live and the stream. Appreciate, real appreciation. I just have to catch him off. One off guard mistake he will make, I know for sure. One off guard mistake. Catch him by one off guard mistake. Mistake. He will have that. Ah, so much, so much, so much, so much, so much to put, so much to put, so much to give, so much to take. Let's go when there is nobody's watching, nobody's watching, nobody's watching. And the Tesla, come on. Yeah, that's the game, that's the game, that's the game, that's the game, brother. That's the game. That's game. Desperate moments. Desperate moments. Last game was a win. Cool. Let's leave the game. That's good. Same consolidating. Solana consolidating. Bitcoin maybe forming a broadening wedge pattern. I'll show you broadening wedge pattern. This the images. And we are creating an ascending one. It is going up. Okay. It can have both as a target. So we'll see the breakout situation where we can have a breakout situation. It's going up. Maybe probably we can go up probably, but we'll look. We'll see. We'll see what kind of thing we probably will have. And leave, guys. Thank you so much for being over here. Do not forget to download the app and get your first ever crypto asset into your wallet by following 3 steps: register, KYC, deposit, and trade. Okay, so take a leave. Tata, bye bye. Thank you so much for being over here. Really enjoyed. Tomorrow also I'll come by the same timing, 12 to 4. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Join the Telegram channel.